Welcome to the Betacus Horse Race Ranking and Training Program. Betacus is an application designed to help people organize horse bet selections. The program is structured like an abacus, which is why it is called Betacus. Betacus presents rankings for at least one track per day, 5 days per week. Betacus also allows users to load past race days and practice using different bet strategies. The subscription to Betacus is $25 per month, although you can see the rankings for each race day at no cost by visiting betacus.com. Users can also purchase tokens for day-by-day access. Click the Help button on the main page to begin an interactive tutorial on how Betacus works. Horse numbers are presented as buttons placed into groups A, B, or C. The horses with the best chance to win have the lower power line odds, and they are positioned from left to right. Group A are the most likely winners, and they are better than 5-to-1 odds. Group B are horses ranked between 5-to-1 and 10-to-1. Group C are horses over 10-to-1 odds, and they are not expected to place in the top 3. To view the horses' ranking metrics, click on the arrow next to the race number. This will present you with the expert picks and rankings from other metrics. Data is presented in both metric and graphical format. Long shot picks appear in the 4.9 odds column. These selections appear with a pulsing effect animation to help them stand out. In this particular example, the reason the 7 horse was selected as the long shot opportunity bet was because one of our several experts had selected it to win, and also it's ridden by one of the top performing jockeys. If you are willing to subscribe, you are helping our group with improved opportunities for all. Subscription revenue will allow us to purchase data licenses that will also allow us to show more data and add more tracks per day. Thank you for your consideration on becoming a subscriber. Following each race day, we present results and a scorecard for bet performance. When showing results, blue is the first place horse, red is second, yellow is third, and green is fourth. The scorecard presents different types of Exacta bets and the payouts for each bet per race. The last column presents long shot selections. A review of past data has long shot win or place results at 20%. On this particular day, none of the scorecard betting options produced a positive ROI. On the previous day, the scorecard produced several betting options that had a positive ROI. Please refer to the user guide for more details on betting selections based on the cumulative positives for our ROI. You will find a description of each Exacta type described in the scorecard in our user guide. We also have a series of slides that provide details on betting performance and strategies on the About page. You will also notice that on this particular day, the Group A wins were 11 of 12, which is quite beneficial when doing horizontal bettings like pick 3, pick 4, pick 5, pick 6, and the daily double. The historical tab in Betacus is used for practice betting. You will be able to experiment with different types of bets and see if you can come up with positive results. Proceed to the historical tab and select a race day from the drop-down. We recommend Exacta bets to start with because they have a decent ROI and the cost is lower than other popular bet types. Let's try a sample bet using one of the long shot picks. We'll select an Exacta key box, which are nice because the selected key horse can get first or second and you still get credit for the win. We'll select this 3 horse for the key. We'll select 6 combinations. We'll place that bet. And then we can add additional bets or we can view the results. In this particular case, the long shot selection did win, and that's when, in accordance to the scorecard, you get the highest return on investment. The win bet would have placed $30 for a $2 bet. The key benefits to the Betacus subscription are identification of horses with higher betting value, view of metrics needed to make strategic betting decisions, access to the bet training application and the historical tab that allows users to practice different types of bets. During the registration process, you will be prompted to verify your email address. Look for the email you will receive and be sure your email has been verified. You will also be asked to register as a user with PayPal, and you will have the choice to pay for the monthly subscription or purchase the daily access tokens. Thank you for your time and consideration.